A key concept of Internet of Things is to connect things to the cloud. The concept is straightforward, but how to actually do it from scratch? Without doubt, coding capability is required. A connectivity application needs to be created. Security and communication encryption mechanism needs to be addressed too. Next, how to make the connectivity scalable when thousands of devices need to be connected. Of course, much more should be considered. Frankly, it's just not an easy job. Azure IoT Hub is the solution. Azure IoT Hub is a secure, reliable, and no-code cloud message hub PaaS service hosted in Azure. IoT Hub facilitates connectivity between cloud and edge with no-code experience. It supports device-to-cloud and cloud-to-device bidirectional communications. IoT Hub can be used to transmit telemetry data, perform device remote monitoring and management, and over-the-air update, etc. Not only that, along with Azure Device Provisioning Service, IoT Hub can achieve zero-touch deployment at scale to get tens of thousands of devices connected in seconds. Even more, IoT Hub can work with thousands of other Azure services covering AI, IoT, computing, security, storage, etc. to create endless IoT possibilities to resolve real-world business problems. IoT Hub is charged by monthly subscription. There are several IoT Hub tiers which entitle different message capacity. Rate varies depending on the IoT Hub tier level. By knowing the number of device, message size, and data transmit interval and uptime, we can calculate the proper IoT Hub tier to use. If you want to learn more about Azure or IoT Hub and how Azure helps transform your business, check with us, iot.software@advantech.com. Thank you.